Okay, time for our stretches. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Side, arm up and over for a side stretch. Feeling that stretch to the side of the body. Keep breathing. Open the arms wide, lifting that chest. And lean across to one side and to the other. Lifting one leg up, circling the foot. Starting off with both feet flat on the ground, straightening one leg. Supporting yourself on either your thigh or an armrest. See if you can reach down and touch your toes. Your toe is pointing up to the ceiling. Want to feel a stretch through the back of that leg there.